Did you know that in mere minutes, you could create an absolutely breathtaking fake text message video that will leave everyone amazed?
Seriously, how do you even do that?
All of this is possible thanks to Short.AI, where their fake text message generator is nothing short of revolutionary.
Wow, sounds interesting. What do I need to do?
Head over to Short.AI Explore, and you can dive right in by putting in your own conversation.
What if I'm completely stumped and have no idea how to even start my conversation?
No worries. You can let Short.AI create a conversation for you based on a prompt.
That sounds convenient. Can I customize it though?
Absolutely. You can select themes, set names, avatars, and even add emojis.
That sounds like a blast. But how about the voices and music? Can I add my own flair to it?
You can assign distinct AI voices and add background music. It's super easy.
And then I have a complete video. How cool is that?
Exactly. You click generate, and in moments, you have a fully timed chat video ready to download. Did you know that in mere minutes, you could create an absolutely breathtaking fake text message video that will leave everyone amazed?
Seriously, how do you even do that?
All of this is possible thanks to Short.AI, where their fake text message generator is nothing short of revolutionary.
And what about making money from this? Is there any way I can earn some cash from my creations?
Yes, I've made roughly $150 just from ad revenue using this.
That's impressive. Is there anyone else using this?
Definitely. Creators like Agpatch Dilemmas and John Perez ITA are producing similar content at scale.
I need to try this. Where do I sign up?
Just use my link https www.short.ai direct ER81AD and get started right away.
Got it. I'll check the description box too.